In this video, you'll learn how to set up and run AMPL using Google Colab. Let's get started. First, create a new Google Colab notebook. Next, go to portal.ampl.com, open the Licenses and Bundles menu, and select the My Licenses tab. Now, open the Colab tab and copy the provided code. Return to your Colab notebook and paste the code into a cell. Next, copy your AMPL license UUID from the AMPL portal. Paste it into the notebook to enable all AMPL features. Run the cell. And that's it. You're ready to use AMPL for developing and solving optimization models on Google Colab.